Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best stackable toolbox is probably one of the most efficient ways to organize and transport your tools. These toolboxes are designed to be modular, allowing you to customize your storage based on your needs. They offer a blend of portability and robust construction, making them ideal for both professional tradespeople and home DIY enthusiasts. They are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Number 5. Milwaukee 48-22-8426 Packout 22 Rolling Toolbox. This is the Milwaukee 48-22-8426 Packout, a 22-inch rolling toolbox. It's designed to provide a durable and mobile storage solution for professionals. This toolbox is built to last. The toolbox is made with a solid construction. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use on the job site. It's built to protect your tools. It features an industrial-grade extension handle. This makes it easy to maneuver the toolbox across various terrains. The handle is designed for comfort and durability. Please note that the interior organizer tray is not included. However, interior trays are available as optional components. You can customize it to fit your needs. This rolling toolbox is part of the Milwaukee Packout system. It's designed to be a reliable and efficient storage solution. It's a great choice for professionals. What we like. This toolbox is built tough. The industrial-grade handle makes it easy to maneuver around the job site. If you need a reliable and sturdy rolling toolbox for heavy-duty use, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels are hard plastic but are large wheels. The large wheels allow you to pull this box upstairs with little effort if it is loaded with heavy tools. The handle design is very comfortable to pull and is very sturdy. The pull handle extracts to one height and locks in with a sturdy loud snap, and it certainly is a very strong handle. The box seals well, is easy to move, and is spacious enough for some decent-sized tools. Number 4. Milwaukee Packout 22 Large Toolbox. Introducing the Milwaukee Packout 22 Large Toolbox. This is the ultimate solution for professionals who demand durability and organization. It's designed to withstand the toughest job site conditions. This toolbox features an IP65 rating, offering superior protection. It shields your tools from low-pressure water, like rain, and keeps out dust and debris. You can trust it to keep your tools safe. The impact-resistant construction ensures your tools are well protected. It's built to handle the bumps and drops that come with daily use. This box is made to last. Inside, you'll find an interior organizer tray. This helps you keep your tools and accessories neatly arranged. It makes it easy to find what you need, when you need it. It also includes a mounting location for the one-key tick. This allows for easy tracking and management of your tools. This feature adds an extra layer of security and convenience. What we like. This toolbox is IP65 rated, offering protection against water and dust. The impact-resistant construction keeps your tools safe. If you work in harsh environments or need to keep your tools organized and protected from the elements, you should consider this one. What people say. This toolbox is much bigger than the stack system in every way, and an analogy might be a Ford F-150 versus Ford F-650, just bigger, stronger, and so far tougher. One of the great features I have just found is that when the handle is up, it locks the lid closed. For those of you who have ever picked up your toolbox and have forgotten to close the catches, you will appreciate this feature. Great product, and you can add locks to it as well to keep your tools safe and secure. Number 3. Milwaukee Packout Rolling Toolbox. Introducing the new Packout Rolling Toolbox from Milwaukee. This innovative toolbox is designed to provide ultimate durability and versatility on the job site. It's a brand new addition to the Packout family. This rolling toolbox offers a robust solution for transporting and organizing your tools. Milwaukee is known for its high-quality power tools and storage solutions. This toolbox is built to withstand tough conditions. The model number is 448-37164. You can find more details about this product on our website or at your local retailer. This rolling toolbox is built for the toughest job sites. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. What we like. This is a brand new rolling toolbox from Milwaukee. It offers the latest design and Milwaukee's renowned quality. If you are looking for the newest features and reliability, this is the one for you. What people say. Very rugged Packout. I just started using a Packout and it's a game changer. Very well built. Milwaukee is the king of boxes and Packout toolboxes hand cart combos are world class. I personally own 6 of these boxes and have never had an issue with any of them ever. 5-star plus rated. They make moving your tools around a job site effortless and quietly without causing a commotion in an office environment. He is a construction worker and has to tote around tools job to job, so this keeps his tools together and has the option to add a lock so other employees can't just help themselves. The quality is fantastic. Heavy duty. Number 2. Milwaukee Packout 3-Drawer Toolbox. This is the Milwaukee Packout 3-Drawer Toolbox. It's designed to provide ultimate organization and durability. It's perfect for professionals who need to keep their tools safe and accessible. The 3-drawer design offers versatile storage options. Each drawer is equipped with smooth gliding slides and customizable dividers. This allows you to organize your tools exactly how you want. Built with impact-resistant materials, this toolbox is made to withstand tough job site conditions. It's built to last, protecting your tools from damage. You can rely on it day in and day out. This toolbox is fully compatible with the Milwaukee Packout modular storage system. It easily connects with other Packout components. This allows you to customize your storage solution. With the Milwaukee Packout 3-drawer toolbox, you can keep your tools organized and within reach. It's the perfect solution for any professional. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This toolbox features a 3-drawer design. It provides excellent organization for your tools and accessories. If you like having everything neatly organized and easily accessible, you should consider it. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and close with a satisfying click. The latches are robust and easy to use. The wheels are heavy-duty and roll very well. Number 1. Milwaukee Packout XLarge Box Tool 48-22-8429. This is the Milwaukee Packout XLarge Box Tool. It's designed for heavy-duty use and provides ample storage space. This tool is built to last. The XLarge size offers plenty of room for all your tools and equipment. It's perfect for professionals who need to carry a lot of gear. It's a great solution for organization. This box tool is part of the Packout modular storage system. It easily connects with other Packout components. This allows you to customize your storage setup. Made with impact-resistant materials, this tool is built to withstand tough job site conditions. It's designed to protect your tools from damage. You can rely on it. Inside, you'll find a well-organized interior to keep your tools secure. It helps you find what you need quickly. The design maximizes efficiency. What we like. This is an XLarge Packout toolbox. It offers a huge amount of storage space within the Packout system. If you have a lot of tools and need maximum storage capacity, this is a great choice. What people say. Mounted on snowmobile instead of link accessories. Cheaper and more versatile. This storage box is great. It holds all of my things and does not slide all over my cargo area. Fit great with my existing base unit and shipping was fast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.